Hello guys, this is Farhan from Graphic and Art by Farhan, and today I'll be showing you how to use resize, rotate, delete and more in this tutorial. So first, if you hover over the resize tool, it will say remove or show black bars. Now you can see if I go to shrink to fit, it'll stay the same, and remove black bars, it'll stay the same. That's because this video's dimensions meet the requirement with the video editor's video dimensions. Now, let me show you how the resize tool works. I'm gonna go to add from the web. Let's go with cats. Let's go with this one. Now, as you can see, it has now black bars. Now if you go to the resize tool and remove black bars, it'll zoom in and shrink it to fit. So this is how you use the resize tool in video editor. I'm just gonna delete this. So now we'll use the rotate tool. If you hover over the rotate tool, you'll see it shows its keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl plus R. Now if you click it, this will rotate it horizontally and vertically. Now I don't want to rotate this, but I want to rotate this or anything, so I'm just gonna leave it like it is. And the remove tool, if you hover over your mouse to the remove tool, you'll see the keyboard shortcut is delete. Now if you go to, let's bring this cat again, hit delete, it'll say, are you sure? Anything you remove from the project will also be removed from your storyboard. Click remove anyway. Now delete this. And if you see this 3-dot menu over here, this is see more. If you click it, it'll say remove all. And if you hover over it, it'll say remove all items from the storyboard. That will remove all the footages and the images, title cards, everything from the storyboard. But the project library will be as it is. So for today, that will be all. I'll see you in the next one.